Hey there, everybody. Well, don't know about it, but here it's a bit better. Gonna show you two locks. Now they're both identical. Well, slightly one's slightly different than the other. This is what you get for not having enough sense and spend too much time on eBay. Now both these are identical. See where there's on this side here, there's a fat shekel, and this side there's a skinny shekel. Same as this here. Both these are identical. Now the only difference is this one here has um like a case cover. Or no, like a see yeah. That's the only difference. It works perfect. See yeah, it works perfect. And this one doesn't have a case cover. And let's see now. And it works perfect as well. Now both these here cost me about between 60 and £70 a piece. From America, if you include the postage and all that there, and so it wasn't cheap. Normally, I check my collection to see if I have a particular lock, but because I had bought this one and it hadn't come yet, I bought this one thinking I hadn't got it in my collection, and I never looked down the column to see that I had bought this one, so I could have saved myself 60 quid. So more money than sense. So, and the best thing about it is these here locks. Oh, sorry, I'll show you these locks here. By the way, they're not big. And then you get that there, and then you got the Yale on the other side. Beautiful locks. And these are the key. This is the key that. Let's say beautiful, beautiful lock. Absolutely gorgeous lock. This one I keep, obviously, because it's the better condition one. And this one I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Probably give it away or something. Now, this here's a Yale, and I got this here today. Now, I don't have this in my collection, but boys, there's a queer spring out there. Oops. There's one heck of a spring out there. I've never seen a spring like it in all my life. If you want, what? That is some spring in there. Right, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to start doing videos on my Yale collection. Okay. I'm going to do 7 locks per week. It'll probably be over about 26 weeks because there's over 200 Yales here. Now I'm talking Yales. Now I'm talking not only Yale locks. I'm talking like memorabilia stuff. For example, I got there's a knife. Stuff I got there. No, this here I'll not say for well, I don't know how many weeks. Probably not see it for months, but it gives you an idea. Books and I've a whole rake of stuff, and I've more stuff come to me because I've won another lock there today. Actually, I've won a couple of locks. I won one and bought one. That was it. So there's more locks on the way as well. So, but this year's little tip for you: be careful what you spend on eBay. It can cost you. And I'm deadly for doing that. I just didn't look down the column of stuff I bought. I mean, I buy a lot of stuff on eBay. And so, oops. Right, everybody. A happy new year to everybody. I know this is what, the second? This is the third? Second, third, or whatever. I can't remember which. Oh, it's the second. This is Tuesday. I keep thinking this is Wednesday. I don't know why. So, happy new year to everybody. And I will start sending these videos out very, very shortly. And I'm just going to have a bit of a laugh. Right, everybody, take care of yourselves. Talk to you very soon. Bye bye.